Welcome to our video.
My name is Razalina Razali and this is...
My name is Putri Anugrah.
And...
My name is Sinta Ayu Apriliandita.
We are from class 9C.
Except for me, I'm from class 9G.
Today we are going to show you on how to make bola ubi jalar.
We don't know what it's called in English, so let's go with that.
These are the steps on how to make it.
You can follow along at home if you want to. Here are the ingredients used in this recipe. 500 grams of sweet potatoes, 150 grams of tapioca starch, 1 sachet of vanilla extract, and 100 grams of sugar. And here are the tools used: mortar, pestle, basin, and knife. Wash the sweet potatoes until there is no dirt left. Make sure to rinse it thoroughly. Then peel the sweet potatoes. Why do we do that? Because it's more time efficient to do it at the start. Also, cut it into little pieces so that it will cook quickly. And after that, prepare a steaming pot and steam those sweet potatoes for 15 minutes under normal heat. Don't forget to close the lid properly. After it's done, take out the sweet potatoes and cool them off for another 5 minutes. Then, mash up the sweet potatoes. Make sure there are no chunks left. We want it to be malleable. The next step is to knead it. Yes, knead it until it's soft, and inserting other ingredients is done gradually. It's time to add vanilla extract, then knead it again. Followed by that, then add sugar. Knead it again until it mixes well. Then add tapioca starch into the dough. Make sure to knead it again. Time to shape it into cute little balls. The size of it is totally based on preference. You can make it big or you can make it small. It's up to you, really. Then just fry it. Make sure to use a normal heat and not too hot, so that it will cook thoroughly and minimize the risk of it getting burned. If the color turned golden and it's been long enough, then it's time to remove and drain it. The final step is to serve it. Feel free to use whatever plate you have. And that concludes the procedure.
And here are the results of it.
It tastes really good. We hope this video helps or gives you some inspiration.
Goodbye.
We'll see you again soon.